Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about how to interface an LCD module through PCF8574 I2C to parallel port data converter along with the Arduino Nano microcontroller. So the very interesting thing what you want to understand in this presentation is from the Arduino Nano board we are getting only two wires which interfaces with the PCF8574, which is an I2C to parallel port converter where the 16x2 LCD can be connected with the microcontroller only through parallel data transfer because of the presence of PCF8574, which is an I2C to parallel data transfer protocol converter. So the Arduino Nano interconnects with this PCF8574 protocol converter board through I2C protocol. From this board, the LCD interfaces through the parallel data transfer as you see in the block diagram here. So if you look at this block diagram, from the Arduino Nano board, the PCF8574 board is connected through the I2C protocol, and the PCF8574 I2C module is connected to the LCD module parallelly as one nibble you can see, and the register select read write enable control signals for the LCD module is connected to this. So the major advantage here is at least you need a 7 general purpose input output line to interface an LCD, but because of the presence of PCF8574, only 2 GPIO line is more than enough to interface the Arduino microcontroller with 16x2 LCD display. This is the major advantage that we have to appreciate here in this presentation. So let us see the Arduino Nano pin diagram and the PCF8574 circuit diagram to understand this particular interfacing much better in the laptop. As you see here this is the Arduino Nano pinout where so the A4 and A5, if you observe carefully, the A4 and A5 are the two pins in this Arduino Nano board which is the pins for I2C protocol where SDA and SCL. So A4 is SDA and A5 is SCL pin. So these A4 and A5 is taken out and then it is connected to the PCF8574 circuit module, which is shown below now. So here the PCF8574 board circuit diagram is this. When we zoom it, here you can able to see SDA and SCL. Here you can see SDA and SCL. So the A4 and A5 from this Arduino Nano board, these two pins is connected with this SDA SCL of this PCF8574, which is a I2C to parallel data transfer IC. Once again, if you zoom it, you can see much more clear. Here you come to this PCF8574. This is the protocol converter IC. So I2C data goes in, the parallel data comes out. You can see D4, D5, D6, D7 and D0, D1, D2, D3. So I2C data to parallel data transfer is this IC. So out of which these 4 pins, D4, D5, D6, D7 is connected to the LCD, and along with that register select read write enable the other pins. Register select read write enable is other corresponding pins here. So this is the circuit diagram of this PCF8574. How it was interfaced with the LCD module is shown here in this user manual of this PCF8574 board. Okay, so if you look at the code, it's very interesting. So the LCD is displaying hello everyone, and then the LCD is displaying have a great day. So here if you see, when you see the code initialized with wire.h, this is very important. Hash include wire.h is a header file for I2C protocol initialization, and hash include liquid crystal underscore I2C.h is a header file for 16x2 LCD display. So first include header file is I2C, second include header file is LCD. When both are okay means the liquid crystal underscore I2C LCD means LCD initialized with this 27. This is very interesting. This 27 is the device address of the PCF8574. This 0x27 is the device address of the PCF8574 in this board, and 16 columns and 2 rows, which is 16x2 LCD, is understood from this header file. That is from this particular content, and then we are initializing the LCD in the setup command, which is something like void main, and in the loop it's very important, lcd dot set cursor. It's very important. 0 comma 0 means first row first column. In the first row first column we are interested to display the hello everyone, and after some 2 seconds delay, in the first row second column. So the first digit in the LCD cursor is row, this is column. So the first row second column, in the first row second column we are going to display the have a great day, and after a small delay, and then we are clearing this, and then we are repeating this. So this is very important with respect to LCD. 0 comma 0 means first row first column, 0 comma 1 means first row second column, which you can see in the hardware. As you see here in the hardware, you are able to see hello everyone in the first row, have a great day in the second row. So this is an LCD module. This LCD module is interfaced with this PCF8574 parallelly, and this PCF8574 board is connected to the Arduino Nano board through I2C protocol, where the green wire is SDA pin, the white wire is SCL pin, serial data and serial clock. So the Arduino Nano board and PCF8574 interfaced through I2C protocol. So this black and white wires are power supply wires. So with the help of this PCF8574 board, just with 2 wires, we can able to interface a 16x2 LCD module with the Arduino Nano board, which is very much helpful for us to monitor the status of lot of embedded applications. Thank you very much.